Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, Odynophagia. What is Odynophagia? Odynophagia is actually painful swallowing is called as Odynophagia. Odynophagia can occur in inflammatory lesions which are involving the oropharynx and oral cavity and pharynx, and also whenever the inflammatory lesions occur in esophagus, these will result in odynophagia. Odynophagia mainly occurs due to the inflammatory lesions of oral cavity, pharynx and esophagus. So the main causes of odynophagia are: odynophagia can occur due to the candidal esophagitis or candida esophagitis, herpes esophagitis and pill-induced esophagitis. So candidal or monedial esophagitis, herpes esophagitis and pill-induced esophagitis are the causes of odynophagia.
thank you and thank you for watching.